Bye-bye. Ooh, it's snowing a bit. It's snowing. I might need my boots. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. Ooh, that is some snow. Almost an inch deep, I'd say. I'm gonna walk up. Yeah, this is kind of deep. Not at all like yesterday. My feet can get buried in it. Ah! I didn't even hear them. I'm just looking at the snow. I'm having fun. Oh, there's Pepe. Hi, Pepe. I'm not going to ask you to get up. So you're nice and sheltered. Bye-bye, kitty. Doubt it, but take a look at the chickens. No one's out. I didn't think so. Well, walking by Dick and Jane's house on this very snowy morning. Everything looks prettier when it's got snow on it. I still say this tower is my favorite bit, just because the bricks are at an angle. How did they build it like that? That's so weird. Like this brick spiral around it. It's a crazy structure. Actually, you can kind of see a little better over here. See what I mean with the bricks? There's the princess. Okay, off to Fred Meyer now. We're not far. That's a hawk. Wow. Just got out of Fred Meyer, obviously. Fred Meyer. Yeah, there's some critters out. Ooh. That was a dove. Oh, I see it. Ah! How many are in there? Spooked me. Haven't they made a noise? I wouldn't even known you're there. They are not smart prey. No chickens out yet. There they are. Bark, bark. Where'd that kitty go? Don't know. Woof woof. I hear Hagrid. I don't really see him. But that's Hagrid's voice. no chickens. They gotta come out to eat sometime. Well, it'll be dark by the time I come back here. So no chickens today, I'm guessing. Is that a crow? Oh, it's a hawk. Whoa. That's a hawk. There it goes. I thought it was one of my friends. No, I think it was going for the little sparrows, but I don't hear them anymore. Wow. I thought that looked funny up in the tree. It didn't look like a crow. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen. What a cutie. Oh, there's the doggy. Hi, doggy. How you doing? Oh, so scary. Why you gotta be scary? Ooh, music. Oh, big puddles. Be careful. Really good.